Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to make masala idli. These can be made with leftover idlis or fresh idlis too. This recipe gives a yummy and spicy flavor to the idlis. To start, heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon oil. To this add half a cup of urad dal, 1 teaspoon chana dal, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 8 Kashmiri red chilies, and 46 of the regular spicy red chilies. You can also skip the Kashmiri red chilies and use 50 of the regular spicy red chilies. Fry these well. The ingredients become fragrant and turn golden. At this point, turn off heat and remove to a bowl. Place a small gooseberry-sized ball of tamarind on the hot pan without turning on the flame. Leave this on the pan until the fried ingredients cool down to ensure there is no moisture in the tamarind. Once cooled, powder along with tamarind and 1.5 teaspoons of rock salt. Next, take 5 to 6 small onions, peel them and cut into quarters. If you do not have these small onions, you can use about a quarter cup of chopped regular onions instead. Next, to a kadai, add 2 tablespoons oil, quarter teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let's splatter and add half a teaspoon each of chana and urad dal. Add in the prepped onions, a few curry leaves. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such recipes. Fry well on medium flame until the onions turn transparent. Now, add in 1 tablespoon of the prepared powder, stir and combine well. Next, add in 25 small idlis or chopped pieces of regular idlis. Mix well. Until uniformly coated. Serve hot. Comment and let us know what your favorite idli recipes are. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notified on more such recipes. See you in the next one. Enjoy!